So a financial game plan heading into divorce is it really varies by the individual involved and the individuals involved. For instance, you could have a spouse who's withholding money. You could have a spouse who is super generous. And my answer could be anywhere in any range between those two types of spouse, and also your income earning ability, your prospective ability to earn income, and any inheritance you could be receiving. There are so many factors, but one of the most important things that I would want to see someone do is know what their income is, what are their bills, what are their monthly obligations, and then we can make a game plan as to what we should request from the court before you start the divorce, and certainly once you're in the divorce. So the list of documents that a person could need to prepare themselves financially for a divorce. I actually give each of my clients a huge letter when we start our cases together, and it lists about a page and a half of all the different types of documents as a general suggestion. Not all of these are going to apply for everyone, right? For instance, a deed. You might not have a house. I know people who are very high income earners and they don't own real estate, but then other people own a lot of real estate. And so it depends on each person, but deeds, electric bills, mortgage statements of any kind. I would say grab every financial document you can. Here's a rule of thumb. What costs you $30 to go print on your printer right now by copying or printing off of statements? What costs you that can cost you up to $30,000 in discovery and disclosure. So if you have access to documents in your home, grab them all. Grab them all, copy them. If we can't use them, we can't use them. But at least this way, you have them. And it's vital that you have everything that shows what goes out and what comes in every month. So in choosing an attorney, the first thing I would say to look for is someone who you are comfortable with. The second thing I would say to look for is someone who makes you a little uncomfortable. I don't mean in the ways that are sketchy. I mean in the ways that challenge you to grow and they give you honest advice. If your attorney is not telling you how you can step up to the plate and be your best case, because remember, your case is you, right? Your case is entirely about you. And so I want you to be the best version of yourself when we present you to the judge. So if I'm giving you legal advice, I'm going to also give you life advice. My approach is holistic. And so if that is something that you value, look for an attorney who's holistic. Some people just want an attorney who will tell them what they want to hear. And that may be fine for them. I don't know. I just know that with our clients, we want to give them the best value. And so look for an attorney, I would say, who gives you the best value. You feel like you're getting something out of that exchange. You may win and you may lose in a divorce. You may not actually succeed financially in the way that you'd hoped. But if you can find meaning in every experience in life, that is what I would counsel anyone to look for, is an attorney who can help you find meaning through all of this, who can help you get the thing back that is beyond the value of money, which is your time. Your time is so vital. Preparation in a divorce can be really vital. I see people come to me quite often in retrospect, right? They come to me with a case that's already been done, and now they're looking to either undo it or to modify it. And they rushed through the first time, or a different attorney did the work the first time. And then we go in and we see, wow, this could have been different for you. And we tell them all of the ways that it could have been different. And some of our clients feel a little disappointed. And our goal is not to find problems, but to help find solutions. Well, the first step to finding a solution is finding the problems. You settled for no spousal maintenance. Your attorney pled for no spousal maintenance, and maybe spousal maintenance should have been pled. Or even worse, your attorney pled for spousal maintenance, and then your spouse lost their job and you got an amazing job, and now you're paying them because your attorney pled for spousal maintenance for you to receive it, and now you're paying it. That actually can be true. So what I would urge anyone to do is look for an attorney who helps you prepare at every element of your case and causes you to think through every step you take, because those steps can really come back to you later. So, do you have questions now about how you should be preparing for your divorce? Please give us a call today. It's risk free, but we want to help you at least find the right path that you should be on.